Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to do a presentation how I'm doing my mini project 2020 in subject computer. Before I start, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nur Aisyah Yasmin binti Hazlisham, metric number 04DAT20F1070 from class DAT18. Name of the business is DNA Books and Stationeries. This bookstore and stationery was led by 3 partners and was established in 2019. This is how I insert my business logo or image into a word. Firstly, I make it spaces, select the Insert tab, and then select Picture, and then go to the folder where you save the image. In addition, we can also put the style in the picture by one click on the right and click the style. There are many styles that we can choose from. Secondly, how I do chart of organization is click on Insert and click Pictures and choose Pictures from folder and copy and paste. In other that, click Insert again to create a line. And click Shape and select a line, like this. Thirdly, the way I put the vision and mission in the shape is click on the Insert and click Shape and click Diamond. Hold the clicks on the left and you can enlarge the shape as you want. You can also change the color of the fill to the white. Next, how I make sales invoice. Firstly, I copy and paste the logo from page 1 and make it small. On my right side, click Insert and click Text box. And I write the date and invoice number in the text box. Next, for the table supplier and shipper, firstly, select the Insert and click text box and make it large. And go to Insert and click Table, 1 for column and 1 for row, like this. Use the same method for table suppliers. After that, for table reason for export, go to Insert and click Shapes and I choose rectangle, like this. For this table, I click Insert and click Table and click Insert Table, 3 for columns and 2 for rows and click OK. And then for the last table, I do the same method on the supplier and shipper table. Thank you.
Everyone, let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Nurul Nabila Husnina binti Muslim and I am from class D81A. My matrix number is 04DAT20F1090 and I am a junior studying in Polytechnic Kota Baru. So today, the topic of the presentation today is about the mini project 2020 that I did, which is the subject of computer application for accounting. First, you should prepare the following tables to record the sales and purchases in February 2020 in Microsoft Excel. For the sales table, you should enter the item, area code, description, quantity, delivery date, unit price, total sale, and percentage. While the purchases table, you should enter item, material code, description, quantity, date of purchases, price per unit, total purchases, and percentage. Then you should enter business data into Microsoft Excel. If business this is a bookstore, then enter the bookstore information. All the word I am used is Kalimbi font and size 11. Next, insert the ringgit format for the column price per unit and maintain at 2 decimal place like this. Click currency, decimal place to symbol RM Malaysia, click OK. After that, find the total of the sale and total the purchaser for the amount. If you want to find total sale and total purchases, you must multiply the quantity by this. This is the symbol of multiply. Click quantity, click multiply and price per unit and you can get this. After that, you should have to add the total sale like this. You should click this plus this, click this plus this and the final columns and you can get this. Next, if you want to find percentage for sale and purchases, you should have to divide the total sale and the total amount like this. This is symbol of divide. You can create a pie chart to compare the sale for each product using percentage for the amount and create a column chart to compare the purchaser for each product using percentage for the amount. You can click insert and you can go chart pie and you can choose 2D pie, 3D pie or donut. If you want chart pie, you can go this 2D column, 3D column, 2D bar and 3D bar. Finally, save as the document as refer your business names table. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurhafzah Yudina binti Muhammad Rusdi and I'm from the 81A. My metric number is 04D8020F1026. So today I'm going to show you how I do it my mini project. Okay, first of all, when you open the access, you have to choose a blank database. Okay, and then you have to name the file. For this project, I have to name the file as DNA Books and Stationery because this is my business name. And then for this project, I have to make a 4 table which is customer, purchases, sales, and suppliers. Okay, when you create the tables, you have to name the table first as a customer. Okay. And then here you can put anything you want. Okay, for customer, I choose to put them as item, customer code, customer name, customer address, material code. For data type, you can choose anything you want. Okay, for customer code, I choose them as a short text. But here, there's a lot of options you can choose. But for customer code, I choose short text. And here, you can describe anything you want. For purchases, as you can see, there's percentage. Okay, for percentage, I choose currency. Their data type is currency. A lot of options here, but I choose currency. For their format, you can choose any format you want, but to make it easy for me, I choose percent. Okay. For date of purchase, I choose date of time because it is date of purchase, so you have to choose date of time. And for material code, description, quantity, I choose short text. Okay, for primary key, we have to put the primary key to something which is different from others, which is for purchases, the different is the code, so that's why I put the primary key at material code. Okay, for relationship, we have to close first. Okay, whatever it is, you have to click yes for save changes. Click yes and yes. For relationship, click database tools and click relationship. Okay, this is the blank. Okay, but when you want to make the relationship, you have to add tables. Okay, I choose purchases and suppliers. Okay, it's okay. But when you want to make the relationship, you have to click edit relationship and create new. So here you can choose anything you want, which is I add the tables, which is purchases tables. So that's why I choose purchases, and the right table is suppliers. Okay, for this one I choose material code because material code is the primary key for purchases tables. Okay, for suppliers code. Okay, click OK. Yes, okay. So here you have to click enforce, and they're gonna come out what relationship gonna be. For purchases and supplier, the relationship is going to be one to many, and then you have to click OK. So this is the relationship. From purchases to supplier, the relationship is one to many. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Aisyah Yasmin binti Hazlisham. My matric number is 04D8020F1070 from class D8018. Today, I'm going to do presentation how I'm doing my mini project 2020 in PowerPoint. The first slide, I choose design from SlideGo and download to PowerPoint. The business logo, I pick from Word and I'm just copy and paste. In addition, we can also put the style in the picture by one click on the right and click style. There are many styles that we can choose from. Furthermore, I'm using Comforta font and the size is 14. The second slide, the way I put the link is go to insert and click link. Go to the folder where you save the file and click OK. The third slide, the way I put audio is firstly go to the File tab and click Insert and click Audio. You can choose audio from your PC or your one to record. The next slide is how I insert the invoice from words and pictures. Firstly, click on each line's table while pressing Shift and hold until the white line exists, and click on the right side of the mouse and click Group. Copy the invoice from words and paste the invoice to PowerPoint. While the pictures, I'm just copy and paste from internet.
Hi everyone, let me just introduce myself. My name is Nurul Nabila Husniah binti Namazlin and I am from class D81A. My matrix number is 04D8020F1090 and I am junior studying Polytechnic Kota Baru. The topic of the presentation today is about the mini project 2020 that I did, which is the subject of computer application for accounting. First, you should copy and paste the following table to record the sales and purchases in February 2020 in Microsoft Excel like this. Next, you can add audio such as music narration or soundbite to your PowerPoint presentation. First, in normal view, click the site that you want to add sound to on the Insert table. In the Media group, click the arrow under Audio. In the list, click Audio from the file or clip art audio, locate and select the audio clip that you want and then click Insert. After that, select the object or text you want to animation. You can add animation, an object to text, picture, shape, and an object in your PowerPoint presentation. Firstly, select animation and choose animation you like. Select effect opinion and choose an effect. If you want to add manage animation and effect, you should click start, duration, or delay. While if you want to add more effect to an animation, select an object or text with animation. And select add animation and choose one. If you want add hyperlink, firstly on the slide, enter the text you want to turn into hyperlink. Then next select the text. After that, on the insert tab of the ribbon, select link and click insert link, and you can choose here, or you can make a link to a recently opened file by selecting it from the recent item list and select OK, and you can do this. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nurazza Irvina binti Muhammad Rusdi and I'm from the AP1A. So today I'm going to show you how I did the PowerPoint. I'm going to take over from my friend to resume this PowerPoint presentation. Okay, I'm going to teach you how we did the animation. So, goes to animation. There's a lot of options you can choose. For example, so here we have appear, fade, fade in, and so on. But for this one, this animation, I choose appear. A lot of people been asking how I did the animation, but it comes out later by later. So I'm gonna teach you. First, I add the text box and write appliers and choose the animation appear and goes to animation pane, choose the text box and then goes to effect options and change it from all at once goes to by letter and choose the time. Okay, and then create OK. So it goes something like this. Once again, something like this. It was something new.